Yup. Hey guys, it's the superhuman banana here because I changed everything about me. Yeah, well, not everything. I obviously did not change my personality, obviously, but I changed my profile picture and my name to the superhuman banana. I don't know what I am anymore, honestly. Just in case you cannot hear me that well, I'm going to turn the volume down a little. So yeah, honestly, if you don't know what this game is, it's hard to explain. It's just amazing. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Love it. Yes, awesome. Okay, welcome to heaven here. This is honestly heaven. You. It's amazing. Okay. Okay. Cutest game on earth. I love it. Yes. Okay. I hope. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, you can hear me. Yeah, you can hear me. Okay. It's just the cutest game on earth. You should all know that. Okay, probably some of you don't know what it is, but it's like you're on this different world. It's full of these things called slimes. The things I have in these chamber thingies. What the heck are you doing, dudes? Dudes, what are you doing? But anyways, there's a bunch of slimes like these, and you can catch them and put them in these things and feed them and stuff. But there's way more to the game than that. There's like a story and stuff. You can decorate and all that. But oh, and plus, you can sell their poop for money, also known as plorts. Technically, their poop. So yeah, happens when you feed them. But anyways, you can unlock areas. There's an entire story to it. You can upgrade. All that, just love it. Just love it. Always. Okay, who can I? Bob, perfect. Love it. Oh, he needs chickens. Do I have any in my coop? Or did I feed them all to, like... Did I feed them all to something? Dang it, I fed them all to these, I think. Yup, my chicken coop is absolutely empty. Okay, bad start. That sucks. Wait. I'm trying to create an easier way so I don't have to hold the microphone while I'm speaking. I'm trying to get it closer to my mouth in some way. I don't know what to do. I once tried like doing something really weird, like wrapping it around my neck or something, which was a bad idea. I don't know what I was doing. I was really dumb then, okay? Yeah, really dumb. I think I can just leave it like this and talk to you like this. Yeah, I think. I was rich earlier in this game. Wait. I had to move my recording thing because, like, let me put it in the corner. Okay. You guys can't see that recording thing, but it's up here where my mouse is. Right here. And it's my little recording thing. I can stop it, turn on my on and off my microphone, and move it everywhere. You can't see it though, so yeah. What should I do? Oh, I know where to go. I know where to go. You guys will love this. It's so cute. How did you get in here? Okay then. Come on, stop turning invisible. These are super cute. See? So cute. So cute, always. Their mouth is weird right now, so like. Okay, what now? Oh, wait. You guys can pause it and read that if you want, because I'm not reading it. I don't know if I should. You know, you guys can pause it and read that. I don't know. Fine. Just pause, read, do all this, you know. Yeah. Oops, I just wasted a bunch of my stuff. Oh, Star Mail. Okay. I'll read that later. Yay. This is something that girl wants me to do. Like, she wants me to come out here. I'm not able to keep these plorts, by the way. They're poop. But, she wants me to come out here, collect a bunch of plorts for... There's a bunch of different kinds of slimes, and she wants me to come out here and collect a bunch of plorts for the Quicksilver slime or whatever. So, yeah. But I'm not allowed to keep them. I can only keep them in this area, but I have to sell them to her. I'm not allowed to keep them, like, for my sake. Well, here we go. Okay, where the heck are they? There they are. They eat electricity, so that's what I have to shoot at. Pure chaos right now, no kidding. Only in this world does it collect the plorts for me. I go so slow normally. I'm just sprinting. I almost died in that ocean. That's called the Slime Ocean, and you die if you're in it. Yeah, okay. Oh, dang it, that's over. Guess I gotta get back in. Man. Long way to go here. Getting bored. Have you guys ever heard of those Go Animate videos? Where like it's like Caillou kills his teacher. Grounded. Punishment day. Have you ever heard that? Have you ever heard of those things? They suck. I hate them. They're so annoying. Rosie, gets grounded. Blows up submarine on cruise or whatever. I don't know. Punishment day. It's weird. I hate it. And if you guys hate those videos too, yeah, comment down below. Yeah, those videos freaking suck. They're terrible. It's like, where they base TV show characters, mainly Caillou, getting grounded. Mainly Caillou, Arthur, the Scooby-Doo characters, and Dora. Like, what the heck? Well, I get that they're doing that for Caillou, but everybody else on that, yeah, no. Those videos just suck. Don't watch them ever in your life, okay? Okay. You guys understand that? Okay, okay. And I want you guys to keep your sanity, because those videos will literally make you lose your sanity, okay? Okay. Because those videos suck. Okay, I'm bored. I have no idea where I'm going. Yay. I just realized I'm going in a circle over and over again. This is the way I'm supposed to go. Just wow, I'm so dumb. I'm rich. Okay, guys. I think you've had enough of me and everything dumb about me. Okay? Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video here. Goodbye.